Hello, am I audible, sir? Okay, I am Asari Bhagan, and today I am going to present about the wretched of the earth. So I am presenting my screen. So my topic is about what aspect of colonialism does Fanon focus on the wretched of the earth. So first we will see about the writer. So writer is Frantz Fanon. He was born at 20 July 1925 and he died at 6 December 1961. His full name is Ibrahim Frantz Fanon. He was a French West Indian political philosopher from the French colony. His work has become influenced in the field of post-colonial studies, critical theory, and Marxism. Fanon published numerous books, including The Wretched of the Earth in 1961. This influential work focused on what he believed is the necessary role of violence by activities in conducting decolonization struggles. Now we will see about a critical response to Frantz Fanon, The Wretched of the Earth. It was written by Musso Venkosi Cab. Frantz Fanon, The Wretched of the Earth is a classical text uh, on the condition of colonial reality. It is one of Fanon widely considered book. Hence, it has achieved an almost biblical status. The text provides a critical analysis of an overwhelming number of issues, drawing from racial formation, identity, colonialism, decolonization, narrative of the liberation struggle, language, nationalism, and violence, and the various ways in which it shaped and it alerts the relationship between colonizer and the colonized. Fanon argues that the colonized world is a world divided into compartment, divided into to cater for two different species. One could argue that this spatial divide, which seeks to establish boundaries and pursuit discrimination of space, ensure that location and boundaries were set up in which the colonized was localized and positioned and essentially made to perform the role of foraging in his or her own country. Fanon post-colonial nightmare has become our reality in South Africa. Fanon suggests a radical decentralization of power that will compel the recording of the colonial space. So, as we can see in the Wretched of the Earth, which was written by Frantz Fanon. So, in this, we knew about a colonization. So, here we knew about a colonist, a colony of a member who is a superior, and colonize is a people who is inferior and who has a less power. Colonist, they put a mindset in colonized that colonist is a good and they are civilized, and colonized is a evil and they are uncivilized people. And when the colonization was happening at that time, uh, 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 they were not thinking about a class, caste, religion, and gender. That all the thing is does not matter. And we can see at that time, black women has to suffer a lot because they were in the control of the white people also, and they were control of a man also. And we can see because of the power, the colonized people were able to do their work with the help of police and soldier. And uh, and we can see that colonizer have came there to establish education and ideology, but they have started uh, ruling upon colonizer, and we can see that after that they started rebelling upon them, and they made one unity, and they also with the help of violence they pull colonists out, and we can see the decolonization. We can see after the Cold War, there it is divided into the two parts, and it is about a capitalist and communalist, and in that we can see that people are divided in privatization and government. In private, we can see that people were giving uh, 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 they have decided the amount, that how much amount they will give to the people, and in government all the money were uh, money was with the government, and they were giving jobs to the people. And we can see that in that ruling class people, that in the rural people were also suffering because they were not aware about it, and who is in the higher position, they were also suffering because they have to secure their job. And we can see that in today's culture also, that people are mostly influenced of Western culture, and uh, now we will see that what aspect of colonization does Fanon focus on the return of the earth. The return of the earth is the Franz Fanon manifesto on decolonization. Fanon exposed the problem of certain paths to decolonized taken by countries in Latin America. In first section of the book, Fanon argues that the solution to this recurrent problem of decolonization can only be realized through a violence uprising of the masses. Fanon arrives at the conclusion by defining colonial society as a compartmentalized society, a world divided in two. The good is pitted against the bad, the white against the dark, the rich against the poor, the indigenous against the foreigner, the ruling class against the other, evil niggers and 12 heads against human white. Colonialism is only made possible through extreme violence and an intimidate phenomena. Reason that violence is the only language that a colonist society understands. Colonialism is not a machine capable of thinking, a body endowed with reason. It is naked violence, and only give in which confront with great violence. Fanon makes the observation that the only element of colonization that change as a result of a negotiating table are formalized. For an example, Gabon gained a black nation president who is now received as the guest of president of French Republic. They wish to gain access to wealth and social status. They had previously been commanded by colonists. They wish to drain the peasant masses and natural resource for their selfish benefit, just as colonizer did. The national defined by its European-based education and culture is credited with founding the political parties, which gives rise to the country for the leader and those that negotiate the term of decolonization with the colonist country. Decolonization is a simply a cloaked form of formed colonialism. Prior the decolonization, the mother country realized the inevitability of freedom and thus drained most of the capital and technical and encircling the young nation with apparatus of economic pressure. It is only through a violent insurrection aim of destroying everything touched by colonialism that a new species of man will be created. The religious and tribe division created and, and exhibited by colonists will deteriorate at the urgency of unity is realized by the masses. So, in the conclusion, Fanon work is well received and highly recommended to those who wish to gain a better understanding of of neo-colonial nature of contemporary politics in post-colonial era. He reveals that it is only through viewing history from the perspective of the colonized that their current plight can be understood. It is hard even for citizens of the United States to argue with his revolution approach based on violence, education, and opportunity. Colonialism has deeply connected to the national and is relatively well off. This cohort of starving men divorced from tribe and clan which constitute one of the most spontaneous and radically revolution focus on colonized people. So here I have taken some of the important lines from the Wretched of the Earth, which was written by Frantz Fanon. Uh, so I have taken from this PDF. We must live our dream and abandon our old belief and friendship from the time before life began. Let us waste no time in sterile litanians and no sitting mimicry. Leave this Europe, where they are never done talking of man, yet yet murdered men. Everywhere they find them at the corner of every one of their own street, in all the corner of globe. For centuries, they have shifted almost the whole of humanity in the name of so-called spiritual experience. Look at them today, saving between atomic and spiritual uh, disintegrate. So here is my references. Thank you.
Yeah, okay, you can stop presenting now. Yes, questions to Ravyang?
Yes, Kavyang. What does Franz Fanon wants to say by his work, The Rest of the Earth?
We can see that Franz Fanon work the Richard of the earth. He is telling about the Algerian war and how Algerian is fighting for his independence, and we are getting to know about a French colonization, and we are getting inspiration for an anti-colonial movement, and we can and he tells about class, race, national culture, and violence.
Yes, Bhavang, my question is how we can see the wretched of the earth in contemporary time, that how people are influenced.
Can you repeat your question?
Yes, how we can see the wretched of the earth in contemporary time, that how people are influenced.
Okay, we can see that Richard of the Earth. We can see in contemporary time that in nowadays also people are mostly influenced by a Western cloth, and people are celebrating um, Western tradition, and they are not following the tradition culture. We can see that people are celebrating like Valentine's days, and we can see that if people is not following Western culture, then all will think that that means you are following the older tradition.
Okay, fine. So who is the next presenter now? Is Bhumika? Yes.
Okay, let me share my